I think this is the Fashion District elevator. Westfield Garden State Plaza. This is the D20, I think. This is my first occurrence of this. Ah, beautiful. I love. Oh, that's cool. It wasn't as cool as I thought. Look at this indicator though. Why did they say third? Why does it have two phones? Here's the cab. Man, I gotta hear that voice again. Hold on. It's elevator 3. Yeah, it says 3. What? Backwards. Goes. Still door. That's it.